Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I'm wanted to show you something I just found just yesterday. And of course I had to put it on the bottom because I'm smart like that. But it's this. Alright, so I found this at the Goodwill yesterday. And compare it with a regular mug. I found this, it's a stainless steel pot. I don't know what it's from or what it's out of, but this was $1.99. Stainless steel. Nice and clean, no scars, no. I mean, it's got a couple dents in it, but I don't care about that. It was cheap. And it's 5.8 ounces. So in my budget camping series, I have now a cheap piece of cookware. I thought what I'd do also is go over real quick some silverware options. So you can go to the dollar store and buy either 2 knives. Well, in my I go to the Dollar Tree and they're 2 forks for $1 or 2 spoons for $1. Or you could just go with an MRE spoon if you have one. Or there's the Light My Fire option, which is about $1.99. Or you can spend $3.99, and I found this at a surplus store. It is a stainless steel spork, which I've used in a few videos. And then there's the Uko spork, which I really like. The only problem is it is $10, so it's pretty. I mean, well, $10 is not super expensive, but it's, you know, it's up there. I think that's it. So I decided I'm going to go with the Light My Fire Sport. Oh, and something else I wanted to show you too, if I can dig it out. It's quick enough. So this is the lid to the Snow Peak kettle. Snow Peak Kettle 1. You can get the Snow Peak Kettle for about $20, and it's a great pot. But look at this. That lid fits on there perfect. And it's got a little bit of snugness, so it won't come off easy. But it still pops off easy enough that if you have boiling water, you don't have to worry about picking up the whole pot and then spilling hot water all over yourself. So what I could probably do is go to the Goodwill and take this with me and then try to compare it with another lid. And maybe I can get a lid for this, because I didn't think about a lid until I got home. And yeah, that's about it. So, real quick video. This will be probably my cooking vessel for this series. As much as I love the canteen and I love the Snow Peak, I mean, $1.99 is very budget friendly. So, and that's probably a good six cups at least, which is pretty. You know, I could cook probably most meals in this. I could probably easily cook a full Knorr meal in this sucker. So I'm actually going to turn the camera off. I'm going to start a second video. I'm going to cook something in this right away. So that'll be after this. So I thank you for watching. I will there's a playlist for budget camping videos down in the description. Go check those out if you want. And as always, I appreciate you watching. And thanks for stopping by. And we'll catch you on the next one.